All right, you want to see a real power user tips and tricks. So this is the Microsoft model, and if you notice, they've created tables to put their measures in, which is a pretty standard best practice, but they don't have this hide me column. So how do they do that? Because I created this misspelled measures table right here for me to put all of my measures in. But when I go into here and I go into edit query and I try to remove the column and then click close and apply, I get this nasty error right here. Well, the key is to first add a measure, then remove the column. So let me show you how this works. All right, I'm going to create a new measure here. I'm then going to create a new measure here. I'm going to set it as test, and I'm going to save it. Then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I am going to go ahead and I'm going to go into edit query, and then I'm going to go ahead and finally remove the column. And now click close and apply. And would you look at that? We do not have our hide me table, and we also have our measures table. And one thing I think you might have noticed is that it floated all the way up to the top right away. Isn't that cool? So if you're used to having all of these random hide me fields in your tables, this is a really cool quick trick to make your dashboards look a lot more professional.